Okay, I got a Tesla Model 3 here. It's a metallic blue. Got a repair right here on the quarter panel. It's UV primer, so I know it doesn't look like there's anything on there, but it is UV primed. I'm gonna go ahead and get into the base coat using Speed's Hecker, high-tech, waterborne. I'll be spraying it with my Axalta 5500 1.20.
All right, I'm gonna wet bed, and then go ahead and spray my base coat. Start with my blend, then I'll cover. Really close to the door, so I'm going to try to keep it down, keep it off as much as I can. There's going to be some color over there, but I'll try to keep it minimal. I'm not going full trigger, kind of feathering it, trying to get this covered. Dry that, check it with the light, hopefully be ready for clear. Alright, ready to clear. Using Chromax 8300 with my Axalta 5500 1.3i. Let that flash, do another coat. Alright, ready to do another coat.